wide variety of elevators and elevator components. The tower is 50 meters high, has 14 floors above ground and 2 below. The reinforced concrete structure has 2 shafts. One of these shafts is especially equipped for drop tests of up to 16 meters per second or 60 kilometers per hour tripping speed and has a maximum 12 tons capacity. The winch can lift into position test weights of up to 15 tons.
Witte Austria considers itself as a partner of the worldwide elevator industry and sees itself as competence center for development and production of safety systems. Usually, an elevator in service must have a safety system to stop the car in any case of any unintended movement. Let's imagine the worst case rope failure. Our safety system stops the car with defined deceleration and keep passengers safe in any event. To deliver these safety systems into the global elevator industry, it's needed to bring components to readiness for serial production to meet worldwide different safety standards required for elevators of all kinds, including high-speed elevators used in the world's tallest buildings. With our Test and Innovation Center and its 50-meter tall elevator test tower, new developments and extensive testing of safety components are performed here. This competence creates successful products from innovation and assures competitive development times.
At the beginning of each brake test, both the shaft and the free-fall frame are prepared specifically for the test. Suitable guide rails are mounted into the shaft. In the housing, the safety gear pairs are installed and synchronized together. The free-fall frame is then loaded with the planned test weights. The release system is thoroughly tested before the test, and all necessary measuring instruments are attached and reset before the free-fall frame is brought up to the desired height. After preparations for the test are completed, the shaft is sealed. A comprehensive security system monitors all access to the test well. For security, the shaft is visually checked and an audible announcement is made to ensure that no one remains in the shaft.
System is set, release the safety pin and clear the shaft.
The 15-ton strong winch lifts the release carrier plus free-fall frame to the intended start point. On the service platform, the test team then conducts a final review. Upon completion, the release mechanism is primed by removing the safety release pin. This step is confirmed by two-way radio back to the control center. To commence the drop test, a key switch is turned in 2 stages. Stage 1 sounds a buzzer, and Stage 2 releases the free fall frame.
2, 1, go!
During the fall, gauges track essential data including velocity, deceleration and braking distance. This test data is subsequently evaluated and is very important for enabling further product development.
The Test and Innovation Center includes the freefall test rig, which is a very important element for our development on safety products for the elevator market. The system as such is unique and state-of-the-art. We continuously improve its flexibility and efficiency. We are testing and developing here safety brakes for the fastest elevators in the world. Besides Witte, it can be used as a testing facility also for third parties, such as notified bodies. The clever design of the releasing carrier allows us to drop the frame from any position in the shaft. For me, it's always impressive when 10 tons at up to 60 km per hour are decelerated from the freefall. It is equipped with measurement tools such as acceleration, speed and distance sensors. But also other important parameters like temperature of the guide rails and braking means or force of overspeed governor can be measured. There are cameras in the shaft which allows us to monitor the test but also to record it for further analysis. The second shaft is used for roped installations, for instance rope lifetime tests on overspeed governor systems or tests on complete elevators. From the test results we analyze the functionality and characteristic of the brakes as well as its lifetime and wear. Based on the measurements we can better understand the behavior which is the basis for product development.
With the Test and Innovation Center, Vittor Scheips possesses an ideal facility which assists in constantly improving lift technology. In an industry where perfectionism is paramount for the safety of people, our motto at Vittor is